इन अ हंट फॉर टॅलंट ह्या नावान MB युनायटेड सांस्कृतिक आणि खेळा क्लबान टेबल टेनिस सर्त घडून हाडल्या। ही सर्त चलयो आणि चले या दोगांय खातीर अंडर 11, अंडर 13 आणि अंडर 15 अशा 3 विभागांनी जातली। पहिल्या 5 नंबरांच्या राज्य खेळगड्यांक आणि खेलो इंडिया खेळगड्यांक वांटो घेवपाक मेळचो ना। नोंदणी करपाची निमणी तारीख 22 जुलै।
is an association of young and dynamic, like-minded people who are totally committed for the development of sports in Goa. In the past, we have organized various tournaments, All India Volleyball Tournament, inter-school athletic meet, and social activities, blood donation camp, health camp, tree plantation, giving free ship to the poor and needy students, and as a part of our talent hunt program and to tap young budding players, we are organizing all Goa non-ranking table tennis tournament in association with South Goa Table Tennis Council and Table Tennis Foundation Academy Fatorda on Sunday 23rd July 2023 from 9 a.m. onwards. It will be a one-day tournament. The tournament will be held in the age group of under 11, under 13, under 15 boys and girls. The first 4 ranked state players and Khelo India players in under 11, under 13 and under 15 will not be allowed to participate in this tournament. Last day for entry fee is Saturday 22nd July and draw will be held on that day and no sport entry will be entertained.
GOA365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, सुभाशीष गोवेकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।